Welcome back to Sevilla. In this video, we'll go over some of the best things this beautiful city in Andalusia has to offer. At number 5, we have the hidden gems. Places like Las Dueñas offer a different beat to Sevilla. With its noble legacy, lush gardens, and stunning architecture, this historic palace is a tranquil escape into Andalusian elegance and aristocratic charm. Las Dueñas dates back to the 15th century and has long been associated with Spanish nobility, especially the House of Alba. It was the beloved residence of the late Duchess of Alba. You can explore the palace rooms, manicured gardens, and art collection at your own pace. Every corner feels intimate and rich with legacy. So go ahead and explore. At number 4, we have exploring Cusco Antiguo, or the Old Town neighborhood of Sevilla. Sevilla's Old Town is one of the largest historical centers in Europe. It is packed with cobblestone streets, sun-dappled plazas, and over 3,000 years of history, from Roman times to Moorish rule and the Spanish Golden Age. It also contains a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprising of 3 buildings: the Alcazar Palace Complex, the Cathedral, and the General Archive of the Indies.
Caramel honey and salt. Bueno, y hard nougat pistachio.
Nougat?
Soft nougat almond.
Okay.
Prueba.
Gracias.
De nada. Chocolate, nougat, nougat.
At number 3 is the Seville Cathedral. This is the largest Gothic cathedral in the world. A mixture of Moorish, Gothic, and Renaissance style architecture, you can see the storied history of Sevilla in this building alone. Did you know that the cathedral houses the tomb of Christopher Columbus? It also offers the best views of the city. You'll find more information on the cathedral and Sevilla on this channel, so be sure to subscribe. At number 2 is the Plaza de España, Sevilla's architectural crown jewel. If you're dreaming of romantic bridges, sweeping views, and historic charm, you're in the right place. This is a landmark you simply cannot miss. And best of all, it's free. Built in 1928 for the Ibero-American Exposition, this place offers a portrait of Spain and incorporates the influences throughout the region with Renaissance, Revival, Moorish influences, and Art Deco touches. Enjoying this video so far? Hit the like button and share this video with a friend. And also visit Adventures with Jewel for more information on everything Sevilla has to offer. At number 1, we have tapas. You know I love to eat, and I will always find the best spots to share with you.
Oh, wow.
The tapas here are delicious and downright addicting. Check out my last video on the best tapas spots in Sevilla for all of the information you need.
Perfect. Right on time.
You the water, okay?
Thank you.
Love you. Right on time.
Yeah, I guess.
Looks amazing. Okay.
With the quality of tapas here, I'd say come early and come often. Do you have a favorite tapas spot? Let us know in the comment section down below.
Maybe we move. Maybe we move.
A little bit.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures.